Thank you for watching Lango News channel.
Lira City versus Gulu City, a critical comparative analysis of northern Uganda's two urban giants. For more than 2 decades, Gulu City has been regarded as the undisputed urban capital of northern Uganda, culturally dominant, institutionally entrenched, and regionally influential. Lira City, by contrast, was long considered a fast-growing commercial town, playing second fiddle. However, data emerging from the 2024 National Population and Housing Census, combined with recent economic, infrastructural, and educational developments, reveals a decisive shift underway. This article provides a fact-based, critical, and forward-looking analysis of Lira City versus Gulu City, examining population, economic power, industrialization, education, healthcare, infrastructure, culture, and future prospects, and then answers the blunt question: which city is better today and which will dominate tomorrow? Population size, growth, and urban momentum. According to the final 2024 census figures, Lira City recorded approximately 246,000 nighttime residents or inhabitants, while Gulu City recorded roughly 232,000 residents. This marks a historic moment. Lira has overtaken Gulu in resident population for the first time. Beyond raw numbers, the implication is deeper. Population growth reflects economic pull, employment opportunity, and investor confidence. Lira's growth has been driven by manufacturing expansion, health training institutions, and commercial migration from surrounding districts. Gulu still commands a strong daytime population, buoyed by students, traders, NGOs, and civil servants, but its growth rate has slowed relative to Lira. In demographic terms, momentum now clearly favors Lira.